How'd you get them?
I shot them.
Where'd you get them?
There and there.
They were both over there. And
I
the one was on that tree with no branches on the top. You shot it right out of the tree. And the other one was...
He was on the... He was over... I shot him from in the middle of a tree, then he flew down to there, then ran over here.
Nice. So yesterday we sighted in your gun.
Yeah.
And today you sniped 2 birds. Bang, bang. Good job. Nice grouse, eh?
They're so cool. Third time I've shot something.
Yeah, you got 1 last time and 2 today. You happy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Shot right in the chest.
Good shot.
Guess I'm eating bullet holes.
Okay, let's take them back to the shop and clean them up.